In a misty dawn, a village coach reveals 5 nature-grounded moves that spark fat loss without burnout. First, he leads a brisk 12-minute forest walk, syncing breath with steps to boost metabolism and mood for long-term glow. Second, he swaps refined snacks for shaded fruit and nuts, avoiding spikes while keeping energy steady through mindful chewing. Third, archer-like intervals unfold during a hill climb, a gentle challenge that doubles as a nature meditation and steady pace. Finally, he ends with gratitude journaling under an old tree, reinforcing sustainable habits beyond any quick fix and shared wisdom.